So today I'll be showing you how to use a custom sound for your alarm on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can do that by getting that custom sound saved or downloaded onto your phone. So once you download it, or maybe someone sends it to you, or however you get it, make sure it's downloaded onto the device. Now, once it's downloaded, it's going to either be in the audio files folder or in the downloads folder. Either way. So for me, the file I want to use is this one in the audio files folder. It's this motivational MP3 file. It's an audio file, and I want to use it as my alarm sound. So what you need to do is, first of all, go back and then go to internal storage and make sure this alarms folder is visible. Now, if it's not visible, then it means probably only the essential folders are visible. So you want to come here, tap on this little drop down arrow and select all, so that you're seeing all the folders, and then you will see the alarms folder. Now you can go back to the audio files folder, find the audio file you want to use, long press on it, and then from the menu select copy, and then tap on internal storage at the top here. Now once you tap on internal storage, it will show you all the folders in internal storage. So select alarms and then select copy here. Now once you do that, you've made that particular audio file available in the alarms folder. So now if you go back and then go to internal storage and just inspect that alarms folder, you can see our mp3 file is here. So now we are now ready to set that as our alarm ringtone. So go to the clock app and then select alarms, and then select the alarm whose alarm sound you want to use as the custom sound. So I'm going to select this alarm, and then I'll go to alarm sound, tap on that, and then go to ringtone, tap on that, and then scroll to the top of this list in the custom sound section, and you should see your file. So you can see it has the same name, so you can select it from here, and then that's going to be the alarm sound for that particular alarm. So make sure you save as you're exiting that, and then that's going to save that change. So now when you look at the alarm sound, you can see the name is the name of our audio file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.